Top 5 Best Mandolin for Beginners. Number 5. The Loar LM-520-VS. The Loar LM-520 mandolin is the third on our list and offers many of the same things we love in the previous choices. The F-style mandolin features very high-quality construction and simply looks amazing. The instrument features a solid maple back that is hand-carved. It also comes with solid maple sides and a fully graduated spruce top. While this mandolin looks pretty great, the sound won't leave you disappointed either. The mandolin features a high-end tone that really rises above the noise, giving you an excellent sounding chop while playing. The mandolin is very easy to set up and get started with right out of the gate. This mandolin will seem a bit pricey to some beginners. However, it is well worth the money you'll be paying for this high-quality Loar instrument. That's why it's also featured at the top of our list of mandolins in the less than 1K price range. Overall, if you're looking for the best mandolin for beginners that offers a great look and sound, you can't go wrong with the Loar LM-520. Coming in number 4. Kentucky 4-string mandolin. The Kentucky KM500 mandolin is another excellent choice if you're looking to get started with the instrument. This mandolin offers solid wood construction and a resonant, warm tone that is hard to compete with. The tone also has plenty of dynamic power that is great for chopping, strumming, or playing solos. The Kentucky KM500 is an A-style mandolin and has a nice vintage look that will make anybody you're jamming with look twice. The intonation on this mandolin is also more than adequate. The instrument features deluxe open-geared tuners that keep the mandolin in tune well at all times. Unfortunately, this Kentucky mandolin is one of the more expensive mandolins on this list. However, if you're looking for a top-notch instrument that gives you a lot of value for the money you're spending, this may be the best choice for you. Overall, this is another great choice that will not disappoint any new or intermediate player out there. Coming in number 3. Ibanez M510DVS. Topping our list of the best mandolins for beginners is the Ibanez M510DVS mandolin. This is an A-style mandolin that makes a great choice for beginners due to its nice mix of features and pricing. This mandolin is very high quality and features some great craftsmanship as well as quality parts and materials. The instrument also offers a great tone and is also quite loud, making it great for playing in front of an audience. The mandolin features a mahogany neck, sides, and back along with a rosewood fretboard and overall has a nice design and attractive look. Unfortunately, this mandolin does require some slight adjustments out of the box, but once it's set up it has a wonderful sound and will offer you plenty of enjoyment. Overall, if you're looking for the best mandolin for beginners, the Ibanez M510DVS is likely just what you're looking for. Coming in number 2. Vangoa Mandolin A-Style Acoustic Electric. The type of mandolin most used by professionals is Class F and, for that reason, this is one of the best mandolins of 2020, as this instrument made for bluegrass is ideal for those who love music and wish to improve their ability with the mandolin. The weight of this product does not reach even 1 kilogram, so it is one of the lightest options. Additionally, the dimensions of 69 by 26 by 5 centimeters make it also easy to store and mobilize. Linden wood is the main material used in the mandolin structure, giving it strength and durability. However, the rosewood is the element used on the bridge, guaranteeing a pleasant and stable sound. The design has a glossy finish with a gradient that ranges from brown to yellowish tones, which gives it modernity. The tuner does not corrode and is easily cleaned. Those who wish to learn to play the mandolin will get an easy-to-use model to learn comfortably, looking professional. Pros. Tuner. The tuner with its anti-corrosive quality makes the maintenance and durability of the mandolin better. Weight. This mandolin is one of the lightest on the market, so no beginner will have trouble getting used to it. Bridge. The bridge is made of rosewood, will not wear easily. Thanks to that, the sound will not be distorted, regardless of usage. Cons. Amateur. This mandolin is not made for professional people, therefore, only those who still consider themselves apprentices can enjoy it. Coming in number 1. Stagg M50E. Many musicians know Stagg for the quality of his instruments, therefore, it is not difficult to find who he thinks is the best brand of mandolins. This specific model has an adjustable maple bridge to offer a definite sound, with a spruce top, rosewood fingerboard, and basswood sides. The choice of wood is excellent to obtain its best qualities in the instrument. The mandolin is typed A for bluegrass and brings a design that combines the color brown with a black edge with a glossy finish. Above it stands out a chrome tailpiece that brings an engraving to highlight, and, despite being a mandolin for beginners, it has a completely professional design. In addition to all that, the instrument is quite light, because it weighs only 1.2 kilograms, and this makes the manipulation of the mandolin easier. Mandolin fans can also find in this model an instrument of the best quality. Pros. Beginners. People who are beginning in the art of playing mandolin can use this model to learn how to play the instrument. String. The engraving of the string makes the mandolin have a modern and prominent touch that, in addition, will make the bright tone of the piece more noticeable. Lightweight. Since this instrument has a light weight, it is easier to mobilize and play it, so children and beginners will feel more comfortable. Cons. Professionals. The most experienced musicians will not be able to enjoy the qualities of this mandolin, as it is not suitable for them.